Hey there, Stone here with Wood and Stone. Welcome to Toolbox Basics. Today we're going to be talking about combination squares, also referred to as tri-squares or combo squares. The reason that they're referred to as that is because you can measure square multiple different ways. One way that you measure it is this direction. The other, you can adjust this up, and you can measure square this way. And then you can also do 45s. And then I also will use this a lot of times when I'm doing glue ups. I'll throw it on the joint. So if the joint was right here, I'd put it here. And if I could see any daylight underneath, then I know that joint's not actually perfectly flat. So I use it as a straight edge sometimes. These two that I have in front of me, this one is Starrett. This is an heirloom quality tool, been the gold standard for measuring equipment for a long time. I actually inherited my grandfather's toolbox from like the 1940s, and it was full of Starrett tools. That's how long they last and how high quality they are. This one is significantly cheaper. It's the WoodRiver brand that you find at Woodcraft. I'm really impressed with the quality of this tool, especially for the price point. And I bought a bunch of these to use for my classes. If you start to go cheaper in combo squares, or if you already have something cheaper in your shop, that's okay. Do you have to get started, but be aware that they're usually made out of softer metals and softer materials. I've even seen combo squares out of plastic. The problem with that is when you're moving this back and forth, that wears that little groove out. So then if you're more loose as it ages, this will start to go out of square, which defeats the purpose of having a combo square or a square of any sort. So these are called combination squares, and that is the basics of how to use a combination square. Next, we'll get into some of the other types and why none of them are shaped like squares. So I hope you have a good day. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.